Welcome back. In this video tutorial, I will be explaining what are the error codes which you can get from the while using the API request and response. So sometimes this gets confused. People are confused sometimes what is happening in back of API servers. Is it my mistake or server mistake or something wrong code or whatever? So don't worry, friends. Here are you can see here are like few API errors I'm showing you here actually. If you see the 401 invalid authentication, that means some issue with your API key. Explanation is given here. If you see here, explanation is already given. You can go to this link and you can see what error you are getting, and accordingly you can fix that. And few issues are self-explanatory, no need to worry. For example, if it is saying incorrect API key provided, that clearly explains that your API key whatever you have provided is not correct. And if you are sending the request from the API key for some organization, but you are not a part of that organization, maybe you have not received the invite from the owner of that organization. I have shown in the last video also accordingly. So it will give this kind of errors. This error says you have exceeded the rate limit, means you are bombarding ChatGPT with so many requests and getting so many response, so it is blocked actually. And then you exceeded your quota, so your quota may be billing or your credit card is exhausted. You may need to provide money to ChatGPT, okay, pay the money. 429 means the engine is overloaded. You need to wait for some time. There are some issues with ChatGPT API. And 500 means the server had an error while processing the request. So, maybe the issues on the server in some configuration settings or something. So, you need to wait and try after some time. After that, these are the Python library error types which are clearly given here actually. API error, timeout, rate limit error, API connection error, invalid request error, authentication error, service unavailable error. So these are quite straightforward, same way I have explained the above things actually, but they are related to the Python libraries actually, okay. And how you can handle this? Obviously you have to write the try catch exceptions and you can try to handle it. And if you are still getting, there are some contact options over there like support team. You can chat with them, you can send the message to them. There are some help links also I have shown in my previous videos. You can go to help section and request them or inform them. They are very quick, don't worry. They work around the clock and they will give you answer very quickly. So there are some staff people who responds to your request, so you don't need to worry about that actually. Okay. So thank you very much for staying with me. Let's proceed to other videos.